Okay, so we have our receiver all unwrapped, and I have hooked it up to, there's a power supply right here supplying our 1.5 volts. That's our filament voltage, so it's very important to not get carried away with that, because you will blow up your tubes. Down here, way down there, there's a red light. That red light is the my 400 volt power supply. It's currently turned down to about just under 100, so it should be around 90 volts. This thing has connections for two 45 volt batteries, and this is the connection for the 1.5 volt battery. So I was going to use flashlight batteries, but I didn't have enough of them, and I would have used some 9 volt batteries, but didn't have enough of those because you need a whole whack of them to get that to work, but they would last forever. So anyway, let's flash her up. We have an antenna, external antenna hooked up as well. I have hooked up an aerial out to my outside antenna here. So give her a little
Proverbs 6:23, the commandments
kick
of
on.
God, and the law of God, the Torah, the instructions, the teachings.
First off, we have ourselves a lovely religious broadcaster on shortwave. I did have this on a few moments ago, and we were just tuning around. So far, I haven't even taken the back off of this, but it desperately needs to have the controls cleaned. My goodness, everything's so stiff. Here's AM, I believe. It's kind of a neat movement. It's got this slow motion in the middle, and then as you turn so far, it goes into a high speed, and then you can kind of slowly pan back and forth. It's pretty cool. Not too much on AM these days. Certainly not around here. Alright, I'll go back to let's try this band. Oh, maybe that was the other band. Anyway, whatever the case, it's alive. After who knows how long being inside that box. So actually, it's a quite nice little radio. I'd like to set it up somewhere, perhaps, but definitely a collector's item. I don't think I've ever seen another one, and I wouldn't expect to at this stage. Anyway, there it is. That is tonight's project. Hope you all enjoyed.